Today I'm here to ask you if I should buy this car or not. Asking you to give me your honest opinion. If I should buy a 300CE, this is the E-Class Coupe. I was expecting to see something nicer body-wise, but this is fully painted, not the best way it should be. But still, I want your honest opinion. I was looking for one of these ones. I like it. This is a M103 six-cylinder inline engine. This is a 1989 or 90. I'm not sure. It sounds good. I know the injectors can be a problem on these ones. Please go ahead and give me a thumb up if you want me to buy such a car. I probably will buy one in like few weeks time, but I wanted to see like 300-400 likes on this video specifically to be able to buy this. Otherwise, if you have no interest, if my audience have no interest on these cars, I'm not gonna bother myself or you. So put it in the comment, please. It's gonna be a different video, of course. The leather is not 100% perfect. It has some cracking, as you can see around it, but the interior, the dash looks good. Yeah, general wear and tear. This is a 31 years old car. And also tell me in the comment section, what do you think about that steering wheel? I know it's completely gone, the leather is gone. Is this a genuine Mercedes-Benz steering wheel or not? I haven't seen many of these actually. This is non-airbag ones. Obviously, as I said, door trims are looking good. It doesn't sound very good when you come to the exhaust. A very nice shape. I love this body shape. Looks very good, looks very clean. As I said, yeah, it's not the best example of something to buy, but I'm really looking for something similar to buy. And I was expecting something cheaper. This is not very cheap either. So gonna be a quick video. Let's have a look on this side as well. I don't know if we have enough. Oh, the seats could be comfier. I think we are out of fuel too. Is it working? Of course it's not working. What about these? This one, the passenger side works. What about reclining? Oh, it doesn't work. How does it look like inside? I don't know if this is a lot of work, especially body wise. The paint is not perfect. Ooh, look at this. I love this. Fasten seatbelt. What about vanity lights? Are they any good? The clip is broken. Obviously the contacts are gone, so this vanity is not working, and it's surprisingly still alive. At least it's not completely broken. I love that star on that hood. I want to see a 3-point star on my next car, of course. The recline works. The seat wants to work. Yeah, it goes back, but not so much to the front. What about the AC? fan is not working either, I think. So lots of issues in terms of this is a phone holder. I don't like it. The switches are not looking perfect. This is an extra added switch. This is a 4-speed 2. It sounds good. The gauges, I think they're working. I'm not sure about the fuel gauge, if it's working or not, but the cluster doesn't look the cleanest. I think this is the typical issue with the sun fading or things like that. The brake pedal feels okay. The steering, it's not that bad, but it's not natural either. This is a different way of going to the back seat. That looks nice, not considering the fact that we have a pillow in there. And obviously these are the first thing that break. Let me say, the seat belts extenders, not a good sign either. So if you like to see and if you like to buy one of these cars, there is a lot of things that you need to check. I like the door trims. I like the interior is still okay. The engine is running. I know the injectors can get clogged and be problematic. There might be few oil leaks at the front, at the back, at the front U-shape thing. I'm not sure even the ABS is working. There is no fan. That overflow bottle doesn't look right. It's probably changed, replaced. That fuse box is still open. The grill looks okay. It's an intact car, but the paint job is not done properly. So I couldn't find anything 1994, 1993, 1995 with airbags, nicer ones. All I'm finding in Australia is like 1988, 1989. I prefer, of course, M104, not M103, which has more power and it's 24 valves. So what do you think? Leave me a comment and give me your idea. Should I go ahead and buy a similar car, 300CE? So that's all for this video. Let's see how much of interest you have in such cars, so I can go ahead and buy one of these. I love to have one of these classics. Thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Have a great day. Bye.
Let's go.